Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel here. Now today I'll be showing you guys how I make my lace frontal wigs. Yes, I'll show you how I make my wigs. And this here was sent to me from Nadula Hair, and it's the Brazilian hair. And I'll link all the details of the hair I'm showing you in the description box, so you guys can tap on the link and get the same hair I'll be using in this video. Okay guys, so I already plucked my frontal, I already bleached it already. So what I'm gonna do now is take my frontal and pull it literally right in front of the cap, not even an inch. And I'm gonna just pin it down there. And I'm taking it as well in the back and pin it down as well. As you can see, I pin it down in the back. Now I'm gonna take now I'm going to take it and go straight down. And I won't pull it backwards nor pull it forward. I'm literally going to pull it straight down on my cap and pin it on my cap. Literally to where it just falls evenly on the cap. I'm just going to pin it. Simple and easy. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Okay you guys, I'll be taking a white eyeliner marker thing, and just to show you guys how I'm gonna sew the tracks onto the cap this way, so you guys can see the way how I'll be sewing each weave onto the cap. And I realized doing this, it's much more easier and I can finish rather quickly when I have like a, you know, a visual to go off on. As you guys can see now, I've finished sewing all the weave on the cap. Now I have like this small part here. Now for this part, I'm gonna just sew the remainder of the hair across horizontally, so the hair lays really flat at the top. And now I'll be cutting off the excess cap underneath the wig, you guys. And there you have it, you guys, a freshly made lace wig. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Let me know what you guys think in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this hair is from Nadula and the link is also in the description box so you guys can have. Remember to leave a comment, and if you do like this video, thank you guys so much. Goodbye.